What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Excuse me if I'm looking a little crusty. I haven't got a haircut in a minute. I gotta get my fucking eyebrows done. And shit, I don't have time. I ain't got time. We are currently in the M5, as you guys can tell. And this shit's dirty. Look at this, guys. This car looks abandoned. Look at this. This car looks absolutely abandoned. So I decided to get rid of it. Today might be the last time you guys see this car on this channel. I'm about to go drop it off somewhere. And yeah, it might not come back. So unfortunately, you know, I had more plans with the car, but it might just be it. Like I said, it's not 100% confirmed yet, but I'm gonna go drop it off right now somewhere, and it just might not come back to us. Anyways, before we go over there, I do want to get my eyebrows done real quick, so I'm gonna check if my eyebrow lady is there so I can pull up before I go over there, because I am running out of time. I gotta get a haircut today. I'm leaving to Mexico tomorrow, well tonight, tomorrow morning. I'm leaving to TJ at like 2 in the morning and then flying out from TJ. So yeah, I don't got a lot of time, guys. I'm running out of time. Woo, fucking hair is long. God damn. I'm running out of time, and I gotta go do these things. Hi, how's it going? Amy is in today, right? She's in right now? Damn, they're gonna take forever. There's like 4 people waiting for my eyebrow lady, but I got no time, guys. It's 3 o'clock. The place where I'm dropping it off is an hour away, and then an hour back home. So that's 3, 4, 5. And then I got a haircut appointment at 6, which is 30 minutes away. So I don't have a lot of time. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go inside real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and then I'll be back in a bit. Don't go anywhere. Alright, I'm back, guys. We are now on the way to the shop. I got my eyebrows done. As you can tell. Now we look a little bit better, but sure, I still gotta get my haircut. Hopefully I make it on time. Alright, guys, so pretty much I'm driving down right now to the place where I'm dropping it off. It's in El Monte, California. I'm currently in Eastvale. Well, right now I'm like well, actually right now I'm a little bit closer to Ontario, but yeah, I gotta drop it off in El Monte, and then from there the homie Dan with the M6 is going to pick me up and bring me back home. But I have a haircut appointment at 6:15. So I gotta see if I make it on time to go home and then to the haircut, to the barbershop. If not, he said he's down to drop me off at the barbershop, and then I gotta see who can take me home. But yeah, that's our plan for right now. We are 37 minutes away from the shop. We'll be there at 4:11, and then let's say we leave the shop like at 4:30 or so, and then it's another hour and like 20 minutes back home. So that's what I'm saying. I gotta see if I make it on time or not, but we'll see, man. Anyways, guys, I'll pick up the camera again once I'm closer to where I'm dropping it off, and then pretty much I'll show you guys where it is, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what's gonna happen with the car. And yeah, stay tuned. So I'll pick up the camera once I'm a little bit closer, in about 30 minutes or so. So stay tuned. About to pull up to the shop, guys. We got 2 minutes left. It was a pretty long drive. Nah, it wasn't too bad, but I was on the freeway and the traffic suddenly stopped and everybody just like slammed on the brakes, and there was a Prius behind me. That fool almost didn't stop. Actually, he didn't stop. He almost hit me, but he was just able to switch lane to the right, and that's only because I moved a little bit to the left as much as I could. Not, he would have fucking hit me. Oh, the homie Dan. I don't know if you guys can tell where we're at. I'm about to just park it here because I don't know if they want it inside or not. Oh, it's gone, guys. Someone else is taking it out. Woo. Damn. The M5 is not gone. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. Like I said, I'm getting the bumper painted. Once again, ABS auto body. We're back. We're back. This is where I got the car fixed when I crashed it last time. So pretty much, we're just, I brought it back because I took the wrap off. And I just brought it back to get it actually painted this time. So, yeah. He said it'll take about a week or so. But try to tell me, Dan. So I don't want to scrape. What's up, bro?
What's up? How are you?
We're recording a video finally.
Yeah, I saw you when you were pulling up. I was like, yeah, I'm not sure about the camera.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. I was planning on making this 2 different videos. 1, dropping off the car, and 2, picking up the car. But unfortunately, you know, like I said in the last part, I was leaving to Mexico that same night. So pretty much, like you guys saw in that last clip, my homie Dan picked me up. He took me to get a haircut because I had a haircut appointment. And then he was cool enough to wait for me until I finished my haircut. And then he dropped me off at my house. I pretty much showered, got ready, got all my stuff ready. And then we left to Mexico that night. So yeah, I wasn't even able to record an outro. I wasn't able to edit the video or anything to post it. Pretty much, you know, I got back. And then 2 days later, the car was ready to get picked up. And unfortunately, I had to work, so I wasn't even there to pick up the car, guys. I had my girl and my dad pick up the car, and then you know, they checked it out, everything was cool, and yeah. Anyways, unfortunately, like I said, I wasn't able to edit the video or anything, and it was too short too. I didn't want to post a video. It was probably gonna be like 5-6 minutes, so I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it all in one video, obviously. But anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick, that's why I sound like this, and yeah, bear with me. But yeah, I'm in the car right now, as you guys can tell. We got the M5, you know what I mean. I also replaced this little button because it broke. I think it was already cracked, but it just like completely broke, so I ended up replacing it. It's not OEM, it's an Amazon button, but it looks the same. It's whatever. It was like 13 bucks. I'll link it in the description if you guys need one. I'm currently looking for a little spot so we can park and I can show you guys the car. You guys can see what it looks like. Alright guys, we just found a little spot to park. You guys see like a warehouse. Hopefully nobody's here. Hopefully no one's watching me from those doors. But yeah, I'm gonna see what it looks like here. If not, I'll bring the car out to the sun and we'll record it in the sun. But yeah, I got the car back finally. And the bumper is painted. It looks perfect. They came out perfect. Huge shout out to ABS Auto Body. I'll put their Instagram down below, guys. That's where I got the car fixed at when I got crashed. And the only reason that I didn't paint the bumper was because I was gonna get it wrapped. And they told me if we paint it, you're gonna have to wait a few weeks for the paint to really cure before you wrap it. You know, so that way you don't get no the wrap doesn't peel the paint or the clear coat or anything like that. So I was like, you know what, it's cool. They gave me the money for the paint, you know, like whatever it was gonna cost, so they gave it to me, and then I just got the car wrapped, at least the bumper, because that's all I needed to be wrapped. And now that I unwrapped the car, I needed to get the bumper painted, so I brought it back to them. They hooked me up, and they even re-cleared my lip. The lip is also ready to be put back on. I just haven't put the lip on yet because they told me to wait like a week or so for the paint to really cure before I put the lip on. But yeah, guys, here is what the car looks like now with the bumper painted. It came out really clean. And they also painted the reflectors. He asked me if I wanted those painted, and I was like, hell yeah. I think it looks a lot cleaner like that without the orange. And I was actually thinking of getting the same ones. I saw them on OfferUp. I've seen them for a minute already. These red ones. I was gonna get those as well, so you have no reflectors. But I don't know yet. But yeah, guys, this is what the car looks like now. The bumper painted. I think it came out super clean. It looks way better, and I'm really happy with the OEM color of the car. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to put the lip back on though, because it does really need a lip, and I'm excited to see what it looks like with the lip, and obviously, you know, the paint color, because I never had it with the lip when the car was this color. But yeah, unfortunately the hood is still the clear coat is still peeled on the hood. I was gonna get this painted, but I rather put that money into a carbon fiber hood, to be honest. I've been wanting a carbon hood for the car, and I still want one, so I figured I'm gonna pay money to get it painted, I might as well just get that money and put it to the hood already. So yeah, hopefully within a few weeks or so, we'll be getting a carbon hood for the car. I don't know, guys. I really want to, but they're really expensive, and it actually went up in price. They used to be like $1,200, and right now they're going for like $15. So I don't know. We'll see. And there's a few different styles too, so I'm not 100% sure which one I want yet. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the carbon hood. I think it looks sick, and I think it'll actually blend in a little bit with the color of the car. So I think it'll still look cool like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. But yeah, what do you guys think? It doesn't look like a beat up M5 no more. Until you get close and you see fucking hood. Until you see the hood. And then this too, I was gonna get this painted too, because obviously the wrap also peeled this part. But like I said, I think this was repaired at some point, because you know, it just, if you really pay attention to this little corner, it just looks like it was repaired or something. So I think I'm eventually gonna take it back and have either just this one or both fenders like resprayed, repainted, or maybe just replaced in general, replaced and repainted. So you know, besides that, there's nothing else in the car that is actually like damaged or like paint wise, body wise, nothing like that. But the rest of the car is perfectly fine. So I'm really happy with that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys like this color? Do you guys think the car looks good like this? Do you prefer it with the Nardo gray wrap? Do you guys like how it looked when it was Nardo, but it had like the paint, the painted fenders in the hood and the trunk? It looked kind of like it had a carbon kit on it. It's funny because when I had the car like that, somebody actually pulled up next to me on a bike, and they said that they thought it was carbon when they saw it from far away. And then obviously you get close up, you can tell it's not carbon, but they thought it was carbon because of the way it was. So I thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, guys. But yeah, like I said, a huge shout out to ABS Auto Body. The paint came out perfect. The paint match is like literally perfect to the car. I'm gonna put the mic over here in the back of the car and start it up, and maybe give it like a little rev or something, and hopefully the mic picks it up good. Hopefully it sounds good. So let's give that a try. We'll see how it looks. We'll see how it sounds. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Any thoughts you guys have or any recommendations for the car or anything you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section below. Somebody's flying a drone around. Hopefully they're not recording me. But yeah, like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave anything you guys want to say in the comments below. And hopefully I'll be back, not next month, hopefully soon. And yeah. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.
Ya no se preocupen mi mamá y papá, su pequeño ya la pegó y ni hablar. En el cuello la cubana es full ice, en la Lambo estilo